Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint a seed NFT. First, ensure you have a compatible cryptocurrency wallet set up and funded with the necessary tokens. Next, navigate to the official minting platform for your desired seed NFT project. Always verify the website's authenticity to avoid scams. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth minting experience, ensuring your assets are secure and ready for the transaction. Before you can mint, you need to connect your digital wallet to the project's minting site. Most platforms support popular wallets like MetaMask. Once connected, confirm that your wallet holds sufficient funds, typically an Ethereum or a similar blockchain token, to cover both the NFT's cost and the associated gas fees. Gas fees are essential for processing your transaction on the blockchain, so always account for them. With your wallet connected and funded, you can now proceed to mint. On the platform, you'll typically find an option to select the quantity of seed NFTs you want. After making your selection, click the Mint or Buy button. Your wallet will then prompt you to review and approve the transaction. Carefully check the total cost, including the gas fees, before confirming to finalize your seed NFT purchase. Congratulations! Once your transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your new seed NFT will appear in your digital wallet. You can view it within your wallet interface or on a marketplace like OpenSea. Always take a moment to verify its authenticity and unique attributes. This ensures you've received the correct asset. And for more great deals, including those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.